Cloud Made Simple have just reached the landmark of being in business 15 years, so it's our birthday. Happy birthday to us. Without you though, our customers, we wouldn't be here. So thank you very much for your loyalty, and we look forward to serving you for the next 15 years or more. So thanks again.
It takes time to become a great business. It takes years of training and development. It takes years to gain the expertise required. It takes years to build a culture, and it takes a certain mindset to rise to the constant challenges. Well, we have spent that time. 131,400 hours of time. That's 15 years building our business, 15 years building our culture, 15 years building our products and services, 15 years building our team, 15 years building relationships with suppliers, and most importantly, 15 years building relationships of trust with you, our customers. And we're not done. We're going to continue to grow, continue to develop skills and knowledge, and continue to take care of you. Cloud Made Simple. 15 years and counting.